Bilberry benefits, healthier steps. Bilberry has been used as a medicinal herb in Europe and China since the 14th century. It has long been used to soothe wounds, treat urinary tract infections, and enhance circulation. But bilberry benefits may even go beyond those traditionally recognized. In fact, the powerful antioxidant properties found in bilberry may even help improve vision in people who suffer from macular degeneration, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Let's take a closer look at the various bilberry health benefits. What is bilberry? Bilberries, Vaccinium myrtillus, are blue-black berries from shrubs that grow in parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. Sometimes referred to as blaeberries or whorlberries, bilberry is an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamin C and E, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. It comes from the same family as blueberry, cranberry, and huckleberry, and it's often referred to as European blueberry because of its many similarities to popular American blueberries. Health benefits of bilberry. 1. They are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are unique compounds that protect your body from damaging chemicals called free radicals. These molecules can cause oxidative stress and damage DNA, leading to chronic diseases like cancer. 2. Fight inflammation. Research suggests that bilberries may help alleviate inflammation, making them helpful in treating conditions like asthma and gout. Bilberries are a rich source of anthocyanins, natural compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. More research is needed to confirm these benefits, but in the meantime, you can benefit from bilberries' anti-inflammatory properties by incorporating them into your diet regularly. Bilberries are packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that inhibit enzymes that facilitate inflammation. Inhibiting these enzymes effectively lowers inflammation and protects against several inflammatory diseases and conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, bilberries are a rich source of anthocyanin, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One study found that consuming 300 mg of anthocyanin supplement daily reduced inflammatory markers by 38 to 60% compared to the placebo group. 3. Promotes eye health. It's only natural to want healthy, strong eyes, and bilberries can help. The anthocyanins in bilberries are excellent for your ocular health, and scientists believe that they may even slow down macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness. Long-term use of bilberry has also been shown to prevent and even treat cataracts. Although not all studies show that bilberries can actually treat existing cataracts, they are an excellent preventative to avoid developing cataracts as you get older. In addition, bilberry can reduce dryness of the eyes and improve general eye health. 4. Promotes skin health. This small, dark blue berry has potent antioxidant properties that help protect your body from free radicals that break down healthy cells in your body. The anthocyanin antioxidants in bilberries prevent new wrinkles from forming and even help existing wrinkles fade away. 5. Controls blood sugar levels. One of the bilberry's most impressive powers is its ability to improve blood sugar levels. This fruit can slow down digestion, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar during and after meals. One study found that daily consumption of bilberry extract can lower blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes more than those who don't consume the extract. 6. Lowers cholesterol. Research shows that bilberry has a beneficial effect on cholesterol levels. Its anthocyanin compounds may reduce cholesterol levels by preventing its reabsorption into the body. This slows LDL deposition within the blood vessels, which with time leads to plaque formation and atherosclerosis. 7. Improves memory. The antioxidant compounds in bilberries may have a positive effect on memory. In one animal study, rats fed with bilberries could recall an object or a location better than those who did not receive bilberries as part of their diet. Another study found that bilberry supplements may improve long-term and working memory in older people. 8. Promotes weight loss. Bilberries are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to have prebiotic effects. Research suggests that overweight and obese individuals tend to have lower levels of beneficial gut bacteria than their normal weight counterparts, so bolstering these levels with pectin from foods like bilberries could help facilitate better weight loss. 9. Prevents bacterial infections. The anthocyanins in bilberries have been found to help prevent bacterial infections and stomach ulcers. A study conducted at Stockholm University found that bilberry compounds suppress the growth and activity of Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that causes stomach ulcers. 10. Reduce arthritis pain. While more studies are needed to confirm bilberry's effectiveness in treating arthritis, it's thought that anthocyanin, the flavonoid in bilberries, helps reduce joint pain by strengthening connective tissue. Bilberry side effects. Bilberries are generally considered safe for most people. However, there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. These include diarrhea, stomach pain, bloating, nausea, and vomiting.